Hi guys, live here from Bangkok, Thailand, and today with another episode of our DMC RS 993 project. Next to me, this is the front hood for our Porsche 993 project. Some more details about this later on. I don't want to talk too much. Let's dive directly into this and look at some beautiful details of this dry carbon fiber front hood for the Porsche 993 DMC Life. Anyway, since we have the product line here, I want to tell you some background information that you might not know yet. Even I didn't know before starting this project. The initial idea was, okay, let's do this beautiful carbon fiber 993 project because all of us love the air-cooled engines. We love Porsches, we love carbon fiber. But then going through the project on and on, we actually found out that a lot of the parts are so compatible with previous Porsches. Take the chassis, for example. The chassis of the 993 is the same as the 964. It might even be some other models. Leave me down some comments if you know more details about this. And so it doesn't wonder that some of the components of the carbon fiber body, or of the body, are also compatible. Like this hood, for example. It's for our Porsche 993, but you can definitely also install on a Porsche 964. Isn't that awesome? Porsche really has kept on to this base design really long until they decided to change. Not only technically to the water-cooled technology, but also to a new chassis. Let me know in the comments if you know more details, and yeah, looking forward to that. Questions that's always coming. Is it really full carbon? And what about the bottom side? Can we really have a look at the bottom side? Of course, that's why we're here. Let's turn this thing around. So we turned the hood around, and of course it is beautiful carbon fiber here as well. Let's dive in and let me give you some close-up shots. It's not only raw carbon, but even the edge elements that you're likely also to see when you open the hood. They're even made from beautiful finished carbon, which I mean have a coating. Let's have a look. I guess that's it. I hope you really liked this preview. First look at our Porsche 993 front hood of our DMC RS 993 project. Beautiful dry carbon fiber. There's some little details that I might have forgotten to tell you. I'll try to put everything down in the links. Thank you very much for watching. By the way, if you liked this video, please hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, come on, hit that thumbs down, because only then we can know that you have to improve. But I really hope that you kind of liked it, you're into this. For us here, we really love Porsche, we love carbon fiber, so this is one of the passionate projects that we love working on. If you haven't done so yet, kindly also subscribe to our channel. That really helps a lot. Leave us some comments what you'd like to see or anything you'd like to tell us, and we hope to see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, let me say one more time, thank you for watching DMC Life.